right, kids. Today you have a very special task. Are you ready?
Yes. Possibly.
You don't seem like ready. Are you ready?
Yes.
So then don't sleep on the table.
Okay.
So we are gonna play chess up to. You're gonna have a smart board that is gonna help you beat me. Up.
What is
You don't need that. Okay, so we're gonna move all these pieces out all together. Come help us. So basically when you touch a piece, you can see which move is good and which move is bad. All right, so Luke.
Sanjay.
Kabir.
Eric.
Akil. Great. Are you ready? Hey, what was that handshake? Are you ready?
Yes.
What is that handshake? Don't remove your hand.
Yes.
I hit the start, okay. I do D4. If you want to touch, you're gonna see, you're gonna touch the pawn, touch the pawn, tap on it.
Tap the.
Up,
Yeah.
you're gonna see which is a bad move and the good move.
Blue is a good. Yeah, play D5.
Okay,
Yeah, play D.
D5. All right, so I'm gonna go with C4.
C6, yeah, slab.
No.
It's
Play knight of 6.
Okay,
No, why would I do that?
why? But take your time and use your help.
Knight F6. Now.
That's what I'm thinking.
Knight of 6.
Knight of 6 is good.
Green, it's green, it's
Green.
green, it's green, green.
Okay, I'm gonna develop my other knight.
Play E6. E6.
No, you have to get your bishop off first. Don't play E6 yet.
I think
Wait, no, you have to play bishop. Bishop.
F5.
F5.
You sure about that? Okay, what if I go here?
Play. Now you play E6.
Touch it first. Make sure
You just
that
like, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yes, green. Yeah, green
green
is
is the best move.
Just like touch the knight ones. I just want to check if that's the best
Bishop.
move.
Knight.
Touch that knight.
Touch the knight on B. Wait,
Okay, don't. Oh, yeah, no, touch the bishop is probably gonna be. Yeah, touch the bishop. Now.
Touch the bishop.
Is it better?
Nope.
No.
It might be to take it. Alright, no, touch
No,
the queen.
no, play queen B6.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's a lot of bad moves.
No, definitely not.
Just touch all your pieces.
Develop the bishop to castle.
Oh, okay.
H6. What is that? Okay, a castle.
H6? No, play bishop E7. Oh, okay. That's a good move.
Castle is probably the best move.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
No, I think knight E7.
Just touch the king.
Touch the knight.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, castles. Yeah.
Alright, touch the queen.
no.
Just queen.
Alright.
Yeah, play queen B6.
Damn it, they're getting better and better.
I wonder why. Okay. I think you should take the queen.
Yeah, take the queen.
Double the pawns.
Okay, I'm gonna take back.
Play like 90. Touch the F6 knight.
F6 knight.
No, it's not 90.
Touch this queen. Oh,
No,
okay.
what?
D5.
What?
What are we doing?
Oh, okay.
What are we
Because it's an end game. You are allowed to push your opponents in front of your king when it's an end game.
Oh, what?
That's why.
Wait, that's not that much.
That's why it's crazy.
Knight to A6?
What does that do?
What?
It's because you want to stop me from playing b4. b4 and b5, the typical plan in this position.
Oh, I guess that makes sense.
Touch the.
Now I have to
touch
explain
this
it the
knight.
AI.
Alright, go down.
Who is the
Knight
coach
right
here?
down.
He's 1700.
You're 17.
Oh, really?
wait. I beat him in Blitz.
Okay, I am pushing my b pawn.
Touch this one. Oh, no. Yeah. That's
Oh, yeah. Yeah, F6, F6.
What's that time trouble?
Biscuits. Okay, I'm moving here.
Take the bishop.
no, yeah.
That's the best move.
I'm gonna.
Play knight B6. Touch knight.
Yeah, knight b6 is probably the best move.
Yeah, that's what I figured.
And then go like rook
I'm
f8.
pushing.
Wait, no.
Wait,
Can you take the rook?
can you take the rook?
Oh my god.
Hey, thanks for the free rook. Exchange or what? I don't know.
It's not a free rook.
Take the
pawn.
It's a free exchange.
Take the bond.
Ah.
Sit there.
Now one more game.
I think you can take.
Exactly what I needed right now.
Touch the knight. Oh, no, never mind. That's not good.
Wait, touch the other one.
Touch this rook.
Yeah, just stand.
Yeah. Wait, how's that good? Oh, the bishop is defend upon you.
Sharks.
Haha.
I'm gonna go here.
Oh, okay. Take the knight.
If I go. Ay, 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 ay. If I go here.
Oh, the best move.
Yeah, just take.
And I'll take.
Touch this rook. Yeah.
Yeah, B7.
They see everything. These kids. Unbelievable.
Take the pawn, yeah.
Okay, I take this one.
Touch the go to the rook.
Yeah.
Alright.
It's rook. I thought it was rook c6.
Go here.
I think rook b.
No, wait, yeah, rook, yeah, rook. Basically just.
Touch the rook?
Touch
The other rook.
No, the other.
Touch the other rook.
Yeah, rook c2,
yeah.
rook c2.
Oh my god! That's unfair!
What?
Adjust,
No, the clock's on my side.
adjust the...
Because you
Move
need
the
to...
rook to like the exact square. Yeah.
If I go here.
I think it's to take the pawn. Just make.
Yeah, just touch.
Take the a2 pawn.
Oh, right.
Oh, ha.
This is
This is mate. This is mate.
No, it's not. I mean.
Yes,
yeah,
it is.
It's, yeah, you
Yes,
can
mate.
Oh.
The matey comes here.
Smart.
I mean, you can sack.
Wait, what?
What?
Oh yeah.
Play rook c2. Play rook c2.
No, she moved the knight.
Illegal move, bro.
Just play rook d1. It doesn't matter.
Whoa. Illegal move.
Let her play. It's still
Illegal move. Illegal move. What? Illegal move. What? Checkmate here. And how did 92 happen? Also illegal.
Wait, what?
Also illegal. Too much illegal moves.
They just take the rook.
Free rook. Thank you. Boot.
Play
Let
it.
it always what you have to do.
Yeah. Illegal move, huh?
Don't mate. Play bishop. Play bishop. Take with the bishop. Take with the bishop.
No, don't wait.
Take with the bishop. Take with the bishop. Take with the bishop. Take with the bishop.
No.
Yeah, play rook e8.
Yeah, rookie intro. Let's play rookie intro.
Yeah.
I take
No,
this
not
pawn.
play the bishop takes the pawn.
No.
Take the pawn.
No. Rook c8. Another troll.
No. Luke, you're about to sell. Now
This is
that's
still
take
winning.
the bishop.
This is
Yeah,
still
yeah,
winning.
yeah.
This is still winning. It's still winning.
Yeah. Play sacrifice.
No, let's troll.
No. Please sack the rook.
No, actually,
No,
let's
just
troll.
sack the rook.
No, troll.
No, go rook here, trust.
No, sack.
No,
No, troll.
No, sack.
Troll.
No, sack.
Okay, yeah, sack.
Okay, next move, just go king here, please.
Yeah,
No, and then take with the bishop. Take with the bishop.
Yeah.
Just like walk.
Just walk your king.
No, just walk your king and take all the pawns.
Yeah, play king f7.
Nope.
But make sure that you don't run out of time.
Yeah, we have 3 minutes. I think
No, it's
we're
plus
already-
5 seconds though.
Oh, true.
Resign, Dina, resign.
I'm just
Got the
trolling.
dead still. Okay.
Okay,
No,
I can.
actually take.
Actually take. Checkmate. Good game.
Yay.
Tired of losing against kids? How about you try a complete training program designed specifically to your level, but also one-on-one guidance and group classes, and personalized support. All that for the price of a single lesson. Try my Russian chess school for free for 7 days and see for yourself.